How to use Viber on multiple devices. First things first is you can only use two specific Viber on two different devices, opening up the same account at one single time. So the very first method of doing this is by logging in into the main phone or the primary device where you'll have to set up your Viber account via the application. But make sure that the application that you're using is updated to the latest version. Now, on the secondary device, you do not need to use the application because you will automatically be logged out if you are going to complete the whole process on logging in. Now, on the secondary device, make sure to use the Viber app via the web version. Open any web browser on the second device and then just simply type in um, account.viber.com. You will be redirected to the web version of Rakuten Viber, and then just simply tap on login. Log into the same account, and you're done. And that is how you use Viber on multiple devices.